iCreate Skills has brought a very wonderful opportunity right to our doorstep, and I think it's a very nice opportunity for youths that are skilled.
I had a strong passion for skills development because I feel like every Nigerian is a working capital if empowered with skills.
In Nigeria, or I would say in Lagos, which I've been very much used to, nobody celebrates artisans.
But iCreate Skills has changed that and has provided opportunities for a lot of youths to be empowered.
We've designed a structure that, that vets skilled professionals.
I really celebrate iCreate for bringing skilled people forward, showing that they are people, that they are persons, and that being skilled is a career, can be a career, can be a profession.
It's better at all times to have people who have different sets of skills come showcase it and figure out how they can do it better.
People are not just using skill just for the fun of it. They are using it to change the world, and that is what I'm here for.
That's giving entrepreneurs the opportunity, that celebrates entrepreneurs and give them the opportunity to showcase their skill. So I am also grateful that I'm given this opportunity to come to the limelight and also take my brand to the next level.
I really like the idea of this program because it basically made me like a celebrity.
Everyone influences me positively. The zeal everyone uses to work here is just amazing. It's the first of its kind, and I'm really glad it's growing rapidly, and I hope nothing stops it.
iCreate is doing something very wonderful, something very spectacular.
I think turning skilled people to celebrities in Nigeria, where everybody's celebrating Wizkid and Tiwa Savage, it's not easy. So I think it's a bold step, and I think they're really doing it well.